This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 8th, 2019. Today I got a call for second floor air conditioner. It's got a smell coming from it. So I don't know if it's a dead rodent in there or something, or maybe it's a bad cap. The motor's starting to cook up there, I'm not sure. It's not really a hot day today, so today's a good day to go check it out. Might be a dead rodent in there. Oh yeah, you love dead rodents. You love dead rodents. I know you love them. Yeah, you love them. Might be a dead mouse. Yeah, so that's running. That's the upper one. Yeah, so it is kind of like a musty. I could smell it. Yeah, it's stinking. Something ain't smelling so kosher. Not good. Well, let's get up there and take a look at it. Water in a pan. No trap. It's kind of shitty. I don't see no dead critter in here. Let's open this one up. It's a newer unit. I mean, the thing doesn't even look old. Wow. Looks like that return's collapsed. Look at the return, it's not even together. Wow, it's pretty bad. Flipping thing's not even together. Wow. That's a wow. Not getting no flow through the system like that. pretty bad. You can see that return's all collapsed. Ain't gonna work like that too well. Nope. System's not that old. Pretty bad. It's only a few years old, this system. We're going to open that up and try to fix that return. I think that was what the problem is, not getting no airflow. Look at this flipping thing. I mean, what a mess. It's all collapsed. It's not even hooked up. Wow. See if I can fix that for her. Guys, so I got the shield over and I got some screws. Oh, this thing's really tight. But I'll be able to get the insulation over it now. At least it will be. Before the inner sleeve wasn't even hooked up. What a shit show. Thing's less than a year old. She said it was installed less than a year ago. That thing's really short, barely reaching. What a shit show. Alright, so I got that attached the way it should be now. What a shit show. This should have a trap in it too. At least now we'll get good flow through it. Look at this, not even insulated. Should put a trap on this right here. Unbelievable. I reattached that, and at least now I'll get full bore through it. Didn't even have it attached. Look at this stuff. I mean, talk about a shit show. Put a trap in here if I could. Unbelievable. Definitely sweating. Might work better now. It's got return. I gotta put a trap in there. Alright guys, I cut a trap into it too. Really should drop down some, but I just used the plastic connectors. I had to cut this trap too because it was too long. But that's the best I could do. This has got some kind of trap on it. There's water in the secondary pan. What a shit show. Unbelievable. Got this reattached. At least now she gets circulation through the system. Look at this stuff. Unbelievable. Not even a year old. What a shit show, mama. Hack job. Hack job from hell. Should work now. tied right into the vent. Look at this, tied right into the vent. That's like illegal. What a shit show. It won't leak. .410A. I don't know what they got outside for units, but I don't know if that's 410A out there. It's probably a 22 unit. What a shit show. What the charge is going to be like on this thing. Wow. I mean, that's cold. Not good. I'm just curious. I'm going to have to check this for her. Probably going to kill this unit. It's a 410A. Curious what that's going to look like, or do I even want to know? We'll check it, see what it's doing. You don't think I'm going to let this go without filming it, do you? Do you?
That's pretty funny.
Shit, no. Compressor's not sounding all that good there. Hear it?
Yeah, I do hear it.
It's not sounding all that good. That unit up there is 410. I'm just curious what's happening here with this stuff. I mean, the guy gave you a full blessing here, huh?
Oh, yeah. No, he didn't have anything to do with this. These are really old.
The system's not even a year old up there.
No, it has nothing to do with this.
This is connected to it.
Yeah, but he didn't install these. These have been here for about 18 years. Do you teach?
Huh?
Do you teach?
Do I teach?
Yeah, you should be teaching me soon.
Well, what do you want to learn?
Not me.
52 on the suction, that's kind of low. It might ice up. That's low than I like to see there. Subcooling's a little high, superheat's fine for today, but this is low. I don't really want to put any more Freon in it. Well, it's hard to say because it's not, not matching equipment, and I really should call that guy back that put this system in. I mean, I don't really want to get involved too much with this because now all of a sudden I'm into it. You understand what I'm saying? It'll run like this, but who knows how long. What a mess.
Can you add more Freon?
shit show. Yeah, so it's right below freezing at like 28 degrees. Alright guys, I just left that job. I did check the pressure on the condensing unit outside. I mean, it's kind of low suction pressure. Like 50, 52, something like that. My superheat and subcool were acceptable. I didn't want to add no more Freon to it. What a shit show. Guy was there less than a year ago putting that system up in the attic. Unbelievable. Wouldn't come back. Or came back, give it a run around. The return was completely collapsed, wasn't even hooked up properly. So I hooked it back up, so at least she's getting airflow through the system now, and added that trap on that. Needed a trap. Unbelievable. Didn't even want to call the guy back after dealing with him. I gotta go over there and patch and match his piece of shit install. Unbelievable. Only in America. I did take some shots of the condensing unit. I don't know if it recorded it or not. We'll have to see. It's a real shit show, mama. Oh yeah, it's a shit show. It's a real shit show.